Good morning, all. Am I audible, man?
Good morning.
In the last class, I think we have discussed about induction. Okay. So here, now can two similarly charged bodies attract, man?
Yes, sir. One case.
How?
If the gravitational force between them is larger than their electric attraction.
Gravitational force can never be greater than electric attraction. Never. Because that is a very weakest force among all is that only. Okay. So,
Yes,
and here I am discussing only about electrical forces, not net charge. About electrical forces. Suppose we are having two similarly charged bodies. When charges are two bodies are there,
ag-
similar charges means both are positive. Agreed.
agree, sir. Agree.
Now see, due to this, there is an induced charge here.
Yes, sir. Negative.
You can see that. Okay. This is again there will be negative charge. Why this will induce, no?
Yes, sir. To induce.
Follow?
Followed, sir.
Okay, suppose you take any this first body, there are two possibilities. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
One second. Note down.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
Completed, man.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Now similarly, this is body 2, and there will be force of attraction.
Yes, sir. There will be.
I think from day or tomorrow you have vacation, no?
No,
Don't know, sir.
no, or yes, sir. No
Hmm?
information like that, sir.
Don't know, sir. Not yet informed.
Visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Visible.
Incoming is given, no?
Yes, sir.
That is the revision way. We agree with this. Any doubt is that till here? Any objections?
No objection, sir.
Now you can see there is a force of attraction, there is a force of repulsion. No? Now suppose
Yes.
if understood this,
Yes, sir. Understood.
clear? Shall I turn the page?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. One.
Sir, but
If
usually, sir,
hello?
Yes, sir.
sir, usually they repel, right?
Yes. No, no, not usually they repel. There is no rules. For bodies, we cannot tell that. It depends upon the induced charges. Only thing we can complete this. I'll continue. Wait. Completed, man.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Suppose a point charges. Okay. No induction can take place. No.
Yes, sir. No induction can take place.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
So remember, in point charges, you cannot induce because point charges means there will be single charge. Means its dimensions is negligible. So it's not a body. So there is no question of polarization of charges. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir, complete.
See, usually this is an atom with nucleus, and you can see electrons will be moving. The neutral atom. Okay. Now suppose I bring a positive charge here. Then what will happen? Here, center of negative charge is the center of positive charge. This is the center of negative charge. The other day we discussed, center of negative charge, center of positive charge.
Yes, sir.
This is center of this is thus the atom will be polarized. Understood this? This is what we say. So I can this is only you represent like this plus Q, and this is a minus plus. This is what we call it as a dipole. Hope in chemistry you have seen delta plus, delta minus. Remember, from delta
Yes.
plus here, that is only polarization. So this is what happens. So I can say that when a positive charge is brought, in the previous one, so that the negative After distortion, what happens?
Sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
An atom gets transformed to what?
Dipole. Transform to a dipole.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
This transference of dipole is only what you call it as polarization. Polarized means one-sidedness. Here a polarized person means you have one-side opinion. So here also all negative charges center will be on one side, positive charges center will be on other side.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute.
Hello?
So
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
See, remember that even in non-conductor, suppose a non-conducting material, non-conducting means it won't allow any flow of charges. Understood this? This is a non-conducting. That means the electrons are tightly bound. They are now free electrons. Now, if you bring a positive charge here, plus Q, what will happen? The it will influence every atom, and every atom transforms itself into what? Dipoles.
Dipole.
And as we know, there will be Negative first, negative first. Till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? These will get binded again. These are all binded. So what is that? That is left over, man.
So negative and positive charges on two sides.
You'll be showing like this. That means these don't think they are free. Nucleus will go there and electrons will come like this. This whole phenomenon we show this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this? Is it
Yes,
clear or not?
clear, sir.
Therefore, remember that even induction takes place even in non-conducting materials.
Yes.
Completed?
So 1 minute, sir, please.
See, wrote the question.
Sir, writing. 1 minute, sir. Writing. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
You see, this is one conductor. This is another conductor. So the total charge on this is minus q. So this is minus q charge is there on this totally. Okay. Hello. Now
Yes, sir.
can you tell what will happen? This positive charge has polarized negative. So in nearest what will get inside of this?
Negative.
Negative will come.
There are positives, right?
positives will be coming.
Okay, sir.
Positive, negative. Right? Opposite charge will be polarized.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And what will be this side then? Outer surface.
Negative charge.
And here is this uniform?
No, sir, not uniform. Some places the radius is more.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if both were connected, then all of the charge would be on the outer surface, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can I expand the sound figure to
See, remember, this will become plus Q, this is minus Q. If it is a metal. Why? Because you have seen earlier minus Q into 1 minus 1 by K. For metals, what is K?
So
Infinity.
Yes.
Therefore, what is Q dash minus Q? So this is
Yes.
inducing charge. This is induced charge. Okay? And this is also induced charge. If it is not a metal, then Q dash is not equal to minus Q.
Yes, sir.
Finish it this.
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yes, completed.
See, these things are very essential for your future courses. That's the reason now they appear very simple. You can see that almost 11 to 12 chapters are based on this.
Yes, sir.
How many see how many electronic charges are there? You know that charge is quantized, no?
Yes, sir. Charge is quantized.
That means you have Q is always equal to plus or minus any, you know.
Yes,
So
sir.
here he gave this as 1 coulomb. Okay, this is plus or minus. This is E is nothing but this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Therefore, N is nothing but, is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
So I can say that plus 1 coulomb of charge.
As 6.25 to 10
This
power.
implies that
So,
were lost by the body, no?
yes, sir. If
Into what is the mass of electron?
9.11. 9
10
in,
power.
yes, sir. Sir. Remember, sir. Kilogram.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Take another one. Understood the question?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right. Now let us go ahead. First, let us find 10 grams consists of how many molecules? So you know by knowledge of Avogadro's law, 18 grams contains how many molecules?
102 into 10 power 23. One more. Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1 gram consists of,
And 6.02 into 10 power 23 by 8.
now we need for 10 grams, no?
Yes, sir. 10 grams.
Now you can see each molecule ten electrons, no?
Yes, sir.
This is the total number of molecules. Agreed.
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
This is only n, no?
Yes, sir. And
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
um, yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
See, you know that Q equals Ne, no? This is 1 coulomb, he told, no? This is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 10 power 9 electrons every second, no?
Yes, sir.
So, that means in t seconds, how many electrons are there? This one only, no?
Yes, sir.
You should get to how many electrons to get? N,
0.6.
no? If you get this much, so many electrons only, you'll get 1 coulomb of charge. You need so many electrons to get 1 coulomb of charge. In a time t, each second it loses 10 power 9 electrons. Followed this or not?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Followed.
Followed, sir.
So it will take
Yes, sir.
finished this.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Five balls. That means wall 1 must be with charge, positive or negative. Understood the question?
Yes, sir. Understood the question, sir.
Any answer?
Sir, one.
Sir, it depends on the other balls. It can be both positive and negative.
How it is possible? See here,
Yes.
Sir, is it negative?
no. See, these are the balls, man. Just put for charges, we'll see. See here, 1 and 2 show attraction. There's 1 and 2. 2 and 4 also attraction. 4 and 1 again repel, no?
Yes, sir.
This is also attraction, no?
Yes, sir.
These two actually should show attraction. So they're showing repulsion. So this is not possible, no?
Yes, sir. Not possible.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Let us take this is negative. Then this should be positive. Attraction is there. Okay. Again, 2 and 4. This is one possibility. So that now there is an attraction. No?
Yes, sir. Attraction.
This is what? Attraction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, these two there will be repulsion. No?
Repulsion, sir.
So what you can conclude, man? You can see that ball 1
Either positive or negative.
A neutral body?
hmm, 1 must be neutral.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Should I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Finished? One second.
Yes.
See, it is used to detect charge on a body.
Yes.
So this is the basic thing. This is a wooden base. Understood this?
Yes, yes. Understood.
Wooden base why you are keeping it? It's non-conduct, nothing else.
No conductivity. Yes.
So first of all, whenever you bring a body, just bring the body near the brass cap.
Yes.
See, for example, I just show the structure only. Now suppose I bring a positively charged body. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then what will happen? What will be induced here?
Negative
Negative
charge.
charge.
Negative.
So what will be here? Positive, no? The other end will be positive or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One
Yes, sir.
end is negative, other end will be positive, no? So
Yes, sir.
now we
Yes.
can see that the leaves will diverge. That means they go from this position, they will diverge further due to repulsion. That means now this body is charged or not? Okay.
Sir,
Sir, bottom part not visible. Thank you, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. Sir, but we can't find out which charge the body has, right?
The next one is, I'll tell you, identification of charge. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll continue the next class. It takes some time. Next part we have to continue is identification of the nature of charge. See, even if you bring a negative charge rod also, you will get the same thing. Suppose we bring a negative charge here. Then what will be induced here? Positive.
Positive
Positive
charge.
charge.
Then negative.
So what will be here?
Negative
Negative
charge.
charge.
Then
Then
also
they
they'll get divergence, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can
Divergence.
only detect the presence of charge. The nature of charge, how to detect? We can detect that also, but there is a process for that, which we shall discuss in the next class. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have 11 o'clock Krishnamurti class, no?
Yes, sir. 11 o'clock, Krishnamurti search class.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
No, sir. Actually, it's 4 to 4:45 for today.
Is it changed?
Only for today.
Okay.
One message came recently.
Just now the message came.
Mhm. Okay then. I do have a class at 11 then. Seniors. Right then, we'll continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, does lightning contain charges?
All that I discussed when I think you're not present on that.
No, sir. If it doesn't contain charges, then why do people say a person got electrocuted by?
Who said it doesn't get charges? Did I tell you? I never told you that.
Sir, you said the clouds get the charges, right? They
Yes.
combine, recombine.
This is the charges. Okay, this negative, positive. They
I'm talking
recombine.
about
Then energy is released. When energy is released, building has what?
This
water molecule, essence of molecule.
Molecules.
surrounding.
They get polarized. So cracks will be developed. Now you tell.
Sir, I'm talking about if a lightning strikes a person, then they say the
No,
person.
no, you're not. You're mixing two things. Lightning means this one you're talking. Am I right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
light. How can light have charges, man? Did I tell you light has charges? Light has energy. This
Yes.
energy, when it goes over there, then polarization takes place. I told. Am I right or not? Why?
yes,
Because this energy is that's the not only this. Even if you keep high, you close all windows, glass windows, and keep the music at a high volume, glass windows will break. Why? Because the electrons will absorb the sound energy and they try to vibrate more rigorously. So automatically that will break. Agreed or not? Similarly, if a person, our body also has 80% water. Okay, so when the light energy passes through this, it gets polarized. Understood this or not? This energy is very high, not normal light, no.
Yes, sir. Now it makes sense.
But now, even if you focus sunlight, you have seen in childhood, you'll use a small concave mirror and focus and burn paper. I don't know if
Yes.
you played or not.
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
focus sunrise, it will burn paper. That means that sun is also, that light only it is also. But it is converted, it is burning a paper, no. Why? Because the intensity is very high for those. So that will burn paper. So lightning as it has, it will not do any, it will not contain charges. But it can make charges get polarized. That means a neutral body now becomes polarized. So if the polarization is too high, what will happen? The nerves will be stretched beyond them. Suppose it's a nerve, now all negatives will come this side, positive, this will stretch like this. So there is a chance that the one of the nerves may break and the electrocution, that is what electrocution. He may die. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Now it's understood, sir.
See, that is the reason why X-rays, scanning and all to operate that we need specialists, no? You cannot just operate like a CD player. Go into the X-ray room, keep it as switch on, you'll die. Because that is also high intensity. There is one special training for that, how to use that, how to control the intensity and all. So these are devices which are high energetic. CT scan, even anesthesia, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anesthesia. There is one PG course, MD in anesthesia. That fellow has only 10 minutes job per day. But he gets lot of money because the giving anesthesia is important for every surgery. If the anesthesia is more, he will go into coma. If it is less, he will die. While operation is going on, if he comes out, he will die. So it is on special course. So lightning has some energy that will be polarizing. Okay? Right then.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Bye 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 bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.